In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF file from Google Drive, a simple yet effective skill that can be incredibly useful in managing your digital documents. Whether you need to store essential information on your personal device or share it for offline viewing, downloading PDFs from Google Drive is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first step is opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. You can do this by typing http://drive.google.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage service provided by Google that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files. Once you've reached the home page, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your desired PDF file is stored. Now that you're in your Google Drive, it's time to locate the specific PDF file you want to download. This might seem straightforward, but it's worth taking a moment to mention a useful tip. Using the search bar at the top of the interface, type the name of your file or relevant keywords into this search bar to quickly find your PDF, especially if your drive is densely populated with files and folders. Once you've found your file, the next step is to right-click on the PDF. This opens a context menu with several options for file management. If you have a touch-enabled device, a long press should achieve the same effect as a right-click. It's a handy trick, particularly on mobile or tablet devices. From the menu that appears, you'll want to look for and click the option that reads Download. This action signals Google Drive to prepare your file for downloading. It's worth noting that if your file is large, it may take a few moments for Google Drive to process your request. Be patient, as this step is crucial for ensuring the file downloads correctly. After clicking download, the process should begin automatically. You'll notice your browser indicating that the download has started, usually at the bottom of the screen depending on your web browser settings. The file will typically save to your designated downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Keep an eye on your downloads to confirm this step was successful, and there you have it, your PDF file is now on your device, ready for you to view or share at your convenience. Downloading files from Google Drive is not just a tool for convenience, but a necessity in our digital age where we value accessibility and backup options. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. Keep these steps in mind for the next time you need to download a file and streamline your document management effortlessly.